Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to copy a meeting in Outlook. This is incredibly useful when you need to schedule recurring meetings or duplicate an event to a different date without having to create everything from scratch. Let's walk through this simple process step by step. First things first, you'll need to open your Microsoft Outlook app. Once it launches, make sure you're logged into your account so all your emails and calendar events can load properly. This initial step ensures you have access to all your scheduled meetings and calendar data. Now that your email has loaded, we need to navigate to your calendar view. To copy a meeting in Outlook, head over to the calendar menu located at the bottom left part of your screen. You'll see a calendar icon there, so go ahead and click on it. This will switch your view from your inbox to your calendar, where all your scheduled meetings and events are displayed. Once your calendar view has opened, take a moment to locate the specific calendar meeting you wish to copy. The process of copying a calendar meeting to a different date is actually quite straightforward, but there's a specific technique you need to follow. Click on the meeting that you wish to copy, and this is the important part. Hold down your Control key on your keyboard. While holding the Control key, you can freely drag this meeting to a different calendar date. You'll notice the cursor changes, indicating that you're creating a copy rather than just moving the original meeting. However, there's something important to keep in mind here. This drag and drop copying method doesn't support every version of Microsoft Outlook, so you might encounter an error while attempting to drag the meeting. If that happens, don't worry. It simply means your version of Outlook may require an alternative method, such as opening the meeting and manually creating a duplicate through the Meeting Options menu. And there you have it. You've successfully copied a meeting in Outlook to a different date, making it easy to schedule similar events without starting from scratch each time. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.